High five, clubbers. It's Teacher Janelle. I hope you're having a great day. I have a book I want to read to you today about the alphabet. The last couple of videos that I've posted have been all about the vowels. And can you remember what the vowels in the alphabet are? We had the A sound for A, the E sound for E, the I sound for I, the O sound for O, and the U sound for These are my vowels. Today, though, I want to talk about a different type of letter. All the other letters in the alphabet are called consonants. Do you want to say that with me? It's a long word. Consonants. And today, I'm going to read a few of the consonants that we find at the beginning of the alphabet. And we're going to see if maybe using a consonant and a vowel, we can make a word. This book is called A is for Artist. A is for artist. Look at that picture there. B is for, if you said bumblebee, you're right. Think about the sound that bumblebee makes. It's the b sound. C is for candle. It makes the k sound. D is for, if you said dog, you're right. It makes the d sound. E, we know, is for egg, and it makes the e sound. F is for flag, and it makes the f sound. Ooh, this is a really yummy treat that I like eating on summer days. G is for grape, and it makes the g sound. The last letter I'm going to talk about today is the letter H, and it stands for horse, and it makes the h sound. Those are some of my consonants. What I thought we could do today is use some of those consonants and see if maybe we can make a word. I'm going to erase my board, and I'm going to start off with that first consonant that we read about, and it was the B sound. And what sound does that make again? B. What happens if we put the A vowel next to it? If we say those sounds together, it's ba, ba. I'm going to leave the A there, but I'm going to go on to the next consonant we read about, which was the C. Who remembers what sound the C sound makes? It makes the k sound. And if we blend these together, it's k, a, ka. The next letter I'm going to write is the D. The D again has the big line down and the big curve to the bottom. And that letter makes the d sound. So if we blend them together, it spells da. My next consonant that we talked about was the F. Big line down, little line across the top, little line across the middle. And the F makes the sound. So it makes the sound fa, fa, fa. I have two more. My next consonant is the G. And the G makes the g, g, g sound. And if we blend them together, it makes the ga, ga, ga sound. Finally, the last consonant I talked about today was the H. The H has a big line down one side, a big line down right next to it, and a little line across the middle. It makes the h, h, h sound. And we can say ha, ha, ha. Before I go today, I thought we could do something else and now go backwards with those consonants that we did, but change the A to one of the other vowels we talked about, which is eh, eh. If I leave the H and I put an E there instead, now we are sounding he, he, he. Right before the H was the G. The G sound makes the g, g. So now we can do ge, ge, ge. The next one I have here is the F. Big line down, little line across the top, little line across the middle. That makes the f, e, fe, fe, fe. My next consonant was the D. Big line down, big curve to the bottom. Makes the d, d, d sound for de, de, de. Right before the D came the C, and it's a big curve. And the C sound makes the k, k for ke, ke, ke. And finally, back toward the beginning is the B. Big line down, little line across to the middle, little curve to the middle, little curve to the bottom. B, b, e, be, be, be. Boys and girls, I sure enjoyed sounding out the first few consonants in our alphabet. And next week and the week after, when I post a video again, I will go through the rest of the consonants in the alphabet, and we can have fun with those too. Hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.